I'm Zaz Brooks, reporting for RoboNation from RoboBoat, the international autonomous surface vehicle competition. Surface vehicles tie together all domains: land, air, and water, both above and below.
A boat is going to dock on the ground and you have the ability of interfacing with ground vehicle. A boat interfaces between what is underwater and what is up in the air. So it's really about like how do you actually bridge those different medium and how do you actually make all of those collaborate together.
We're just beginning to explore the real-world applications of autonomous boats.
There's not a whole lot of companies that we found out there that are doing water-based drones, and there's a huge market for that. Think about how much stuff is shipped on a daily basis on cargo ships.
And we are looking to move towards unmanned and autonomous applications, and having something that would expand onto the water would just give anyone a complete edge over someone who's not using it.
RoboNation is a robotics community that not only brings people together to appreciate the world of robotics, but actively supports the development of the new technology and the next generation of robotics engineers.
We've got a couple teams here that their wireless and communications work great in the lab, and as soon as they get out here with all the teams and all the RF noise in the area, they're having problems with their communications. So there's just some things you won't get in the lab that you only get in a competition like this.
The RoboBoat challenges are designed to reflect the tasks involved in the upcoming RobotX competition.
The Office of Naval Research, in partnership with the AUVSI Foundation, sponsors several individual domain events. So this is the surface vessel. The Maritime Robotics Challenge moves the vehicles into an open ocean environment.
For RobotX 2016, all of these systems almost directly tie into them. There's a launch and recovery of a secondary vehicle, there's acoustics, there's obstacle avoidance and navigation, and really a lot of what we're trying to do here is proof of concept, develop platforms, and train the new engineers.
So the software that we use for RoboBoat is the same software we use for RoboSub, and it will be the same software we use for RobotX. We're a pretty small team, and developing 3 different pieces of software was just not feasible. So the software scales really well, it's really easy to implement different sensors, and it's really helped us succeed in all 3 of those competitions.
Get extra psyched for next year's RoboBoat as we move to Daytona Beach, Florida, where everything's going to get kicked up a notch.
So we decided to go big for RoboBoat then. We decided to actually go in a bigger pond, so we wanted more space to start doing some like really amazing and difficult challenges, and that's really the direction we want to be going in.
Robotic boats are the future of surface vehicles, and the RoboBoat competition is a key part of RoboNation's support of this new technology. For more on the many ways you can become a citizen of RoboNation, join the community at robonation.org.